Balloon Zombie, I want to have a competition with you.
Let us compete on fart. Don't you dare?
Okay, I don't afraid of you.
Let us eat more soybean and drink more cold water at night. Tomorrow, we will compare whose fart is more and louder. You re the loser.
I'll win.
Do you see it? It is called fart whistle. It will make sound when I push it. I'll put it in my pocket tomorrow. Bull Rider Zombie will lose tomorrow.
Next day.
Admit that you re the loser, Balloon Zombie. Yesterday, I ate 2 pounds soybean and drank 5 cups of water. You'll lose. He almost wins the game. I wouldn't be beat by him, no way.
Haha, this fool.
Hold. Hold. Fart. Ah.